We've rounded up 4 ideas to help you enjoy Valentine's Day at home. Can you imagine having a spa in your backyard? Escape Del More in Atlanta provides services like dinner for two, a spa setup, a club or lounge setup, and more. The company's custom packages will transform your backyard into a romantic escape. These chocolate geo hearts are trending. Each one comes with a small hammer made to smash the heart. Mia Treats NYC fills its geo hearts with chocolate-covered strawberries both inside and outside. Charcuter Me and You in Queens, New York sells a love-themed charcuterie box. Each order is customizable. The Valentine's Day box includes an iced sugar cookie, chocolate fudge hearts, and raspberry Kit Kats. A chocolate-covered strawberry arrangement can be a fun DIY project. Here's what you'll need. Start by melting your chocolate and dipping the strawberries. Drizzle and decorate. When you're ready, start placing the strawberries into the foam. Add your fillers and tie your ribbon around the vase.